this video we will be talking about how to integrate Calendly into your WordPress website for easy appointment booking and scheduling. So to use Calendly you will first need to go to calendly.com, and here you will see this page, and when you will come to pricing, here you will see these several plans. So you can start with the free plan where you can create a meeting and then you can embed that on your website and users will be able to schedule and book meetings. To use it you need to go click on get started. So here you will first of all have to create your account. So you can first enter your email, or you can sign up with Google or Microsoft. So I already have account, so I can log in. So here I have logged into my Calendly account and I have created a meeting. So if you want to create a meeting, you can create new event type, and here you can choose one-on-one or any other option that you want to use. Here you just need to enter the event name. So maybe I can use like 15-minute session. Add the location over here. If you want to use Zoom you can use that, but for that you need to integrate the Zoom. So for this we can just use this phone call, and we can click on next, and here you will have to choose when you are available. So once you have set up everything you need to click on next. So the event is created, and now you can also set up payments if you want to integrate paid meetings. So for this you will need to upgrade your subscription. So as we are using free plan we cannot add this. So here you can see now we have another one and we can turn it on. So I cannot turn it on because I already have one created, so I can delete this one. I just wanted to show you how you can create one session. So here we have the 30-minute session. To view it we can click on view booking page, and this is how it looks like, and where you can just click on, where the user will just click on the date and then he will select the time and click on next to complete the meeting. He will need to enter the name and email as well. So we can close it currently, and to add it into the website we will just need to click on share, add to website, and here we have several options that we can use. So for example, if we want to use inline embed, that is just to embed the Calendly page that I showed you earlier on our website. So we will click on continue, and here we can just copy the code and we can close this as well. And now we will need to go to the website where we want to add it. So I am using WordPress for my website. If you don't have a website and you want to build your website, you can build it by watching my video. I have several videos where I am showing you how to create a WordPress website. So here you can see I have 6 videos over here that you can see and create your website. And you can also contact me if you want me to create your website. So here you can see I have added a Calendly button that takes me to this Calendly link that I showed you earlier, but I also want to embed the Calendly form on my contact page. So I will go to contact page, and here I can embed the contact Calendly. So here I can embed the Calendly. I will click on edit with Elementor. So if your website is created with Shopify or maybe with HTML CSS, you can just copy this code and add the code to your website using any HTML widget or any shortcut widget. If you are using HTML, you can just copy paste the code wherever you want to add. So here I will create a new section, and then I can use HTML widget, and then I can paste the code over here. Now I will click on update. Here you can see the form is embedded, so I will click on view page. So here you can see the form. User can easily book the meeting with this Calendly integration. If you want me to create your own website, or you have any project for me, like any bug fixing project or any mobile development project or any type of project, you can contact me. I have provided all the contact details in the description of the video. You can also see all the services that I provide from the link provided in the description. If you want to support me, you can go to buymeacoffee/ikashifmahmood. I have added this link in the description as well, and here you can buy me a coffee if you want, and you can also book a 30-minute Zoom call for only $10. So thank you for watching this video, and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.